Hello there, welcome back. Today's video is a quick guide on how to shop using the Pop Mart app. First, open the app and make sure you're signed in. On the home page, you can browse featured collections and discover new Fiber series in the new arrivals section. Check out Pop now for limited edition blind boxes that drop in real time. To find a wider range of items, head to the mall. When you find something you like, tap the item to see more details like the price, availability, and series info. Use the quantity selector to choose how many you want. Some items even let you buy a full series. Tap Add to Cart if you're picking up more than one item, or Buy Now to go straight to checkout. To view your cart, just tap the bag icon at the top of the screen. Then, click on Checkout. You'll then be redirected to the checkout page. Same page would have been sent to if you had clicked on Buy Now. Select your shipping address. If it's your first time, you'll be asked to add one. If you have a coupon, go ahead and apply it here. Tap Receipt to pay and choose your payment method, a card, Google Pay, or Pop Mart points if you have some. If you're using a card, enter the details. You can choose Remember My Info so you don't have to manually input this every time you make a purchase. Finally, hit Confirm and Pay. And that's it. You'll get other updates on the app, and in 2 to 3 days, your Pop Mart figure should be with you. Thank you for watching and happy collecting. See you in the next video.